Okay, now what I'm going to be doing, this is a simple one. Again, you can do this one at home. You can make a volcano underwater. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so I'm going to do this really quick. It's going to have to be super quick. You need a jar of some sort, something that you can see through. You are going to fill said jar, this jar, not that jar. This jar is what I'm filling with some water, all right? Look at that, amazing. I'm going to put some more water in it. Let's just see how we go. Okay, that's our cold water. It's important that this water going in here is cold. Stay there, stay there. Okay, the second part of this is using hot water. Now, this is where it gets a little bit on the dangerous side. What color volcano are we having?
Green.
Good, because I don't have red. All right, I'm going to use some food coloring here to demonstrate this one. Opening it over the sink so all that lovely food dye doesn't get caught anywhere else. Put it into my jar, just as so. All right, now I want to get hot water into there. You guys can do this as well. Probably you don't need this exact sort of cylinder beaker sort of setup that I've got here. It just needs to be something small enough that it fits in the water underneath the surface of what we've got there. Now, that is just dyed water. I've set this one up so I can lower it into the other one and hopefully not spill it everywhere by making a little handle, like it's a little bucket. Oh, it's delightful. Now here's the moment of truth. Does it spill everywhere? Oh no. Now, what you do is you take this and have a look at what's going to happen as I drop this under the water. It will lower itself to the bottom, and if we zoom in nice and close, you can see that it is actually turned into an underwater volcano where it is spewing forth hot water. All right, so this works pretty cool. It's like a hydrothermal vent that you might find underneath the ocean somewhere. Let's put this over here and see if we can get a better shot with a white background on it. Okay, there we go. You can see it just smokes its way out. Now the hot water, as we know, what does hot things do? Hot air, what does it do?
It heats up.
It heats up. Yes, hot air does indeed rise, but so does hot water. Hot water is less dense than the cold water, and so it's taking that dye with it. As the hot water escapes from our fancy little tube that we've got down there, it makes it look like a tiny underwater volcano smoking green into the distance. So yes, there we go. That is all I've really got for you today. That was a quick one, and it's done, but you guys can do that at home. Do whatever color you want. Just try not to make a mess is basically it. And that is why we science like people.